Yes, hi, and the Chimera twin exhaust just arrived, so I will take you to the journey of unboxing. I thought it would be a good idea. I'm excited to see. So, fresh opened. Okay. Noise. Bigger, 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 and okay. Okay, so let me open it. Okay, so there's one side. No, there are both. Okay. Okay. So they are not very heavy. So it's a little bit dark. Okay, that are the mufflers. They are really small. I'm wondering how loud this will be then. Okay, interesting. And here a lot of other stuff. I will still put it out. Okay, here another overview. So seems so that there have been some adjustments in the welding after it. So we will see how it suits. They are not rubber mounting, but copper flanges. Also interesting. Accordingly to as TF is more for the bringing heat away from the exhaust port. Well, but I'm really concerned about these small mufflers. So they have, let me see, they just have, okay, 25. So it's 1 inch, and they're just 60 millimeters. So you can take here the ones that I normally use for having it from Pipe Design. They are 80, and the length as well, yeah. So it's 260 to 300. Okay. Well, interesting also will be the power output. So looking forward for the next dynos, and then we will see.